One sunny morning in the magical jungle, little Veer was playing with flowers near a big glowing tree. Suddenly, he heard a tiny sound, chirp, chirp. A small baby bird appeared. It was scared and alone. Veer smiled up kindly and said, "Don't worry, I will help you." Veer walked through the colorful jungle, holding the little bird safely in his hands. They looked everywhere for its home. Just then, Elli, the big blue elephant, came by. Elli lifted Veer gently on her back so he could see higher. Together they found the bird's nest high on a tall tree. Elli used her trunk to place the tiny bird back into its cozy nest. The bird's parents flew in happily and chirped, "Thank you." Veer smiled and said, "Helping others makes us happy." The jungle glowed softly as Veer